Hey, how's it going? Michael Jones here with M&S Online Marketing. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my honest review on the Perpetual Income 365 system. What is Perpetual Income 365? Whether or not this is the system for you, whether or not you should invest your time into your money into this system. But before we dive into that, if this is your first time, do me a favor, show some support by liking this video, subscribing if you haven't already, and be sure to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. On this channel, we teach you how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And the main goal of this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live the prosperous life that you and your family deserve. So let's do it. What is the Perpetual Income 365? And I've been hearing about it. Is it something that I should join? Is it something that I should invest my money into? Well, first off, the Perpetual Income 65 was a system that are designed for beginners. This is a system that allows you to be able to set up your system. It helps you set up your system to start promoting clickbank products. And if you don't know what clickbank is a marketplace that you can sign up a free account where you can then go here and browse through the many categories, the various categories, such as arts and entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, computers, affiliate marketing. It's tons, lawn and gardening. It's tons of products or categories that you can, join and click on and find various products to promote on the marketplace, all for free. And so the Perpetual Income is a clickbank product that allows you to set up your system for newbies and for beginners that are struggling to make money online. It pretty much does all the work for you, which to me is enabling you and not allowing you to learn a skill and to really make money with the system or make money online. But let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about. So they're talking about how ordinary people are manipulating this secret algorithm. How an inner circle of loophole exploiters are making not one, not two, not three, but 4, 5, 6, and even 7 figures online. Yeah, 7 figures online a month. Now, using this system. So what is this system? It's a system that sets up. It's a sales funnel system that sets up your lead capture pages, that has already pre-built lead capture pages that you can use to then go out there and go back to the clickbank marketplace, select a product, hit the promote button, get your link, and then start promoting this product using that system. So then you will once you've set up your account, you will put your ID name in here, you'll get a tracking link, you'll generate a hop link, you'll take that link, you'll start promoting it using the system, Perpetual Income 365, where it would then build out the capture pages where you can collect the leads, get the names and emails of the prospects that is interested in that product or service that you're going to be promoting using this system. So what is the secret algorithm, or what is the secret loophole? Well, the secret loophole is going out and purchasing email traffic or buying solo ads. That's their secret traffic source, and that's the strategy that they teach to go out there and start making 4, 5, 6, and 7 figures online using these strategies. And to me, that's a bunch of baloney. And I have tried this. For years. I have started my online business back in 2018. I have tried this way. Why? Because it was the most easiest and simplest way that I thought that I could make money online. All I got to do is So if you don't know what if you don't know what a solo ad is, or it's email traffic. So what you do, or what they teach you, is to go to a marketplace such as Udemy, and Udemy is just a place where people that are essentially in the biz op niche or in the make money online space, you can go to these people who have built a large database of email subscribers. You can go and ask them to send out an email or send out a promotional email to their list promoting your product in there, and you can purchase anywhere from 100 clicks to 1,000 clicks, and you'll get they'll send this email out, and you'll start to generate some clicks to that product or service that you're promoting. And so then what you'll be doing is collecting emails with this system. And then now you need to be able to send them out emails. Well, Perpetual Income is going to upsell you on the emails that you need to send out, because you're a beginner, right? So you don't know how to craft out emails. You don't know what emails to write. So they give you emails, which they actually sell you their emails through their upsell. And to be able to use their mailer system, they upsell you on that as well, to be able to fully use their system. So now you send out these same emails that every other beginner is sending out to these same potential leads and prospects. So to me, I don't agree with the strategies of traffic that they teach to generate the 4 to 7 figures per month. I think it's very unlikely. I'd be shocked to know one person who has actually, in today's age, to be able to build a business as a beginner and make this kind of money with email traffic. Because, face it, we just living in a different world, and we living in a different time in today. And email traffic are the strategies that worked 10 and maybe even 15 years ago. And it's not that it don't work now. I've been able to make sales using email traffic, but it's not your most targeted traffic source. It's not where you would go out there and find your buyer customers. Email. Let me ask you a question, and please leave the comment. Actually, I'm going to be giving out a free vacation stay to those that not only like this video, and not only that subscribe to this channel, but also leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And I'm just asking the question of, if you really wanted to know the answer to something and you had no clue where to find this answer in 2020, what are you going to do? What would be the first step that you might take if you were hungry and you had a taste for some chicken? You were looking to make money online. What would you do first? You think you will find your answer, and you think you're going to go to your email box and find the answer in your email box? No, you're not going to find the answer to whatever you're looking for in an email box. You're going to go and search for it. You're going to go and look for it. You're going to go and seek for it. So the strategies they teach you to make money online with this system is by going out there buying a solo ad. Is almost the dumbest thing I ever heard. I mean, I now that I've been through it, now I know, what I'm saying. But I have lost the shirt off my back trying these strategies, and now I'm before you, trying to save you the time, trying to save you the heartache and the pain, and the Christmas money from your kids, and your next meal money, trying to think that you can join this system, buy the email traffic, and think it's going to work. Can you make a sale here or there? Yes, you can. I've made a sale here and there, but I've lost 4, and probably not too far away from losing 5 figures with this strategy. But I never gave up. I never stopped believing that I can make this happen, but I just knew I needed to channel my strategies, and knew I needed to stop using these strategies to make money online and to grow my business. But I needed to start doing something that was more targeted, something that somebody was actually seeking and looking for. And one of the main reasons why I've overcame the fear of doing video and wanting to do, video marketing and grow my business through YouTube was because I saw so many gurus saying you can just make money by just going out there buying email traffic. And I almost just went in my room at times and just cried, because I've used $500 of money I didn't have. I used $1,000 of money I didn't have to go out there thinking that I can get as much traffic as I can, because it's a numbers game, and You got to continue to keep believing, that this is possible, and don't give up, and work on your mindset, which is all fine and dandy. I believe it, but the strategy just doesn't work for a beginner. In 2020, it doesn't work. It's all about social media. It's all about building a following. It's all about building an audience. It's all about building a brand. And you really can't build your brand by just buying somebody else's email traffic. You need to build your own traffic. You need to go out there and start building your own brand. Start branding yourself. And the best strategies to do that is by getting out there in the Facebook communities, getting out there on Instagram and promoting yourself and your brand on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, writing blogs, branding you. These are the strategies that are going to make you money in today, in 2020 and beyond. So I just wanted to just give you guys my insight. I have been down this road before. I have lost hundreds and thousands of dollars with this strategy until I just said, you know what, I'm not going to fail. I'm going to do what it takes. I'm going to just go down a different path, but I just wish somebody would have told me that, you need to turn around and go the other way. You're going the wrong way, before I got so far down the road, before I lost so many thousands of dollars. And that's why I'm here, because I don't want you to lose so much money implementing the strategies that they teach inside this system. So I'm not saying it's a bad system to get into. What I'm saying is the strategies they teach you to make money online as a beginner, and they teach in email traffic to buy solo ads, that's outdated. Those strategies don't work anymore. We're living in a new day and age right now where it's the social media of the world. It's the Instagrams of the world. It's the Twitters of the world, the YouTubes, the TikToks of the world. I mean, my mom is on Facebook, and I would, back then, you couldn't even pay her to answer her cell phone, and now she posts more than I post. So I mean, I would have never thought I would have seen my mom, in the social media world. But that's just where we at today, guys. That's where we at. And my opinion to you is, if you're really trying to grow an online business, if you're really trying to make money online, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get access to the same system that allowed me to grow my online business, that allowed me and that taught me the strategies that is actually working today to effectively grow my business, and it has nothing to do with email traffic. And I'm not saying it doesn't work. I just don't believe and that it could be a profitable business using those strategies. And I would advise any beginner to not go down that road after losing hundreds and thousands of dollars. If I could do it back all over, like my parents used to say, if I could just go back in time, if I could just do it all over again, I would have started with building an audience. I would have started with building my brand through social media. But it was something that was hard for me, but I just had to get over that. So I'm not going to make this a long, drawn-out video. This is my honest opinion of the system. It may not be a bad system, but I don't think it's the best system for beginners, because obviously if you go through the training, it's going to teach you to do certain strategies. And if you're going through any training, you should be implementing that training. And so with this training, I don't believe it's the best for a beginner. And that's just my opinion of the system, of the Perpetual Income 365 system. But there's ways that you can make money online, and it doesn't have to be through email traffic. So if you got value from this video and you're looking to learn the real strategies on how you can make money online, if you want to learn how you can start and grow an online business, then click the first link in the description below. Also, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Leave me a comment. Like I said, leave me a comment again. Each week, I'm picking one random winner to win a free vacation stay at one of our top resorts. All you have to do to win that vacation is to like this, subscribe, And also leave me a comment and just let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what some of the things that you've been struggling with. Let me know if email traffic has worked for you. You know, everything is not for everybody, but I realized that it wasn't for me, and I know a lot of beginners that are struggling because of the strategies they're being taught that are outdated and that just does not work anymore. And the gurus that are teaching them in this is on social media. So that's when I, you know, realized that this is what I need to be doing in my business, and that's where I'm at now, and that's why I'm before you right now on this screen to show you the strategies that it's actually working today. And it's not email traffic to start out with. It's YouTube. It's building a brand. It's building a following. It's building an audience through social media. So once again, if you got value from this video, please like it, share it, comment, and I want to say thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.